In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Evernote account. We'll walk through the full process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for to move from a free or lower tier plan to a paid Evernote subscription that better fits your needs. Start by opening your browser and going to the Evernote web app. If you're not already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in your Evernote dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile area. This might show your initials, a small avatar, or an icon that represents your account. Click on your profile name or icon. This opens a small drop-down menu related to your account. Take a moment to glance at the options if you like, but what you're looking for here is the option labeled Account Info. Go ahead and click Account Info to move into your main account settings. You'll now be taken to your Evernote account summary page in a new tab or within the same window, depending on your browser settings. On this page, Evernote shows you an overview of your account, including the current plan you're on. Look for a section or a menu option labeled Billing. This is usually found on the left-hand side or along the top navigation within the account settings area. Click on Billing to open your billing and subscription details. This is where Evernote manages your payment information, your current subscription status, and any upgrade options available for your account. Once the billing page loads, you should see your current plan clearly displayed. Nearby, there will be an option that says Upgrade Account. This is the key action you need to take to move to a higher tier plan. Click on Upgrade Account. After clicking, Evernote will usually present you with available plans, pricing, and features. From here, you can review the options and choose the plan that works best for you. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and complete the payment process if required. And that's all you need to do. You've now learned how to navigate from your Evernote dashboard into your account info, then into billing, and finally to the upgrade option for your account.